All right, so we have type 1 here. If you look at the graph, you can probably figure what these are. You can see the equations of them right there. So type 1 is linear, which is a type of function that we deal with. If it's written in y equals mx plus b form, it can be linear. Just also remember that point slope form, which is y minus y sub 1 equals slope, or m, times x minus x sub 1. That is a different way to write it if you're given a point and a slope versus the y-intercept. Or standard form. Sometimes that's easier to graph because you can figure out the intercepts pretty quickly. But that one is ax plus by equals c. So in your graph, all I want you to do is draw a line and make sure that you give it the domain and range, keeping in mind that all lines have the same, domain and range, unless of course it was a vertical line, because a vertical line would actually only have one number in the domain, same range, or a horizontal line, which actually is still a function versus a vertical line, would only have one number in the range, but the domain would actually be all real numbers.